Dive into the latest budget-friendly marvel, the Galaxy A34 5G, offering a fresh twist to Samsung's A3X lineup in 2023. Acting as the affordable sibling to the A5X, these two share design traits while maintaining unique features. Notably, the A34 5G shakes things up internally, waving goodbye to Exynos and welcoming a MediaTek Dimensity 1080 chipset. This revamp extends to notable enhancements in mobile photography and audio quality, aligning with the A34's theme of subtle surprises. Under the hood, the A34 boasts a MediaTek powerhouse with 6 Cortex, a 55 cores, 2 Cortex, a 78 cores, and a Mali G68MC4 GPU, offering 6 GB/8 GB RAM and 128 GB/256 GB storage options. Market dependent, the phone packs stereo speakers, USB-C, 5G connectivity, and a robust 5000 mAh battery with 25 Du fast charging. It flaunts an IP67 certification for dust and water resistance. Running Android 13 and One UI 5.1, the A34 introduces a new lock screen menu, refreshed Settings app, and RAM Plus for enhanced multitasking. Unveiled on March 15, 2023, the base model, featuring 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage, hits the market at £349/€390 in the UK and Europe. Elevate your smartphone experience without breaking the bank.